Hi everyone, if you are someone new to IELTS examination, then let me tell you that IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System. It's going to test your 4 lingual skills including listening, speaking, reading and writing. So today I'm going to tell you that what are the question types and what's the pattern of IELTS speaking test. The IELTS speaking test comprises of 3 different parts. Part 1 starts with introductory question answer type format in which you are going to give responses to the questions revolving around your personality, your hometown, your hobbies, family and the similar topics. Once you're done, your examiner is going to announce that we're done with part 1. Let's move forward to the part 2 of the test, which is the cue card. Cue card refers to a topic, like you would receive a card on which there would be a topic written and you have to speak over that topic for 2 minutes straight. Before you start your speech, your examiner is going to provide you with pencil and a paper so that you can plan your ideas for the upcoming 2 minutes speech. And once you're done with part 2, your examiner is going to tell you that let's move forward to the part 3 of the IELTS speaking test, and it would be consisting of question and answer format type things, but these questions are going to cover some global aspects like including tourism, challenges faced by tourists and their target destinations, economic crisis, globalization, global warming. So these are the global topics which are going to be discussed in IELTS speaking part 3. So this is all for the day. See you in the next video.